Welcome to Cucina with Daniela from The Golden Taste. Today we're gonna make schiacciata di potatoes. We have some boiled potatoes. We don't know what to do. Really easy. You're gonna see with me. In a tray from oven, some olive oil, extra virgin. We put some crumbled bread. Then you just take your potatoes, then you boil it, you put it here, and then you can help yourself with anything you have at home to smash the potatoes. Some salt, parmesan, pepper. Of course, you can change all the topping. Put some passion and love when we're cooking, would be more fun. Some mozzarella. You can add extra cheese. Everything that you have and you would like to use, you can use. Put some rosemary. So I do one side just cheese and one side I put some ham. So when you're running out from your job, you don't have a lot of time, that's something easy that we can make it. The extra crunchiness. Finish with more parmesan. More you put is what you find, like I always say. And now we put in the oven. After 15 minutes, you can see from your oven, it's gonna look like that, crunchy and nice. La nostra schiacciata, or pizza of potatoes, like you want to call, is ready. So sharing and carry with your friends, all the ingredients below. Let me know if you like to see any other recipe. Let's try now. Buonissimo. See you soon and have a good day and ciao.